Good morning, guys. So, barbecue ako. So, I need to put something in my hair. This one. So, I here at the office. My gosh. And so, I need to put this one in my hair. And I'm gonna live also in my YouTube. Oh, sorry. Hello, good morning from here in Manila. Okay, so we are here. Okay, guys. So, I'm gonna cook. Okay. Rice. This one. This is the eggplant. I need to make egg omelette with eggplant. That the one I know the person that wouldn't like the eggplant. So I will get ready my things. Okay. So I will put all the things this one first. Okay. So I have my space here. Okay, so this is my vegetable. I need to I need to wash this one first.